What's up, guys? Welcome back. Jack the Ripper from Record of Ragnarok. Gotta be honest, I haven't watched it. Watched the episode between Hercules and Jack, though. Pretty cool. So, I'm on a landscape page. Use pencil eraser. Hit pause if we go too fast. We're going to start with his eye just underneath his hat, right? So, center point about here. Come over to the left. Let me just start with the diagonal line for the eye. And they're kind of downturned, right? So it goes like back down here. And he's got like Gojo Satoru's eyes from like Jujutsu Kaisen. So you got like these big eyelashes, right? So you just draw them in. Jack the Ripper is Gojo in a different universe. There, I said it. Okay, so that's his eyelash, right? So then bottom curves down from the tear duct, back around and up to there. Right, and then you can actually draw in the tear duct there. And then we got to add more eyelashes down here, right? So do sort of the same thing again. So we go like... just smaller. Okay, like so. And then iris and pupil, half circle coming down from his top eyelid to there, and then his pupil, small enough pupil. Like so. Alright, so then he has, when you're real close up on the eyes, he's got like these dots sort of and lines inside. Okay, so his other eye is covered, right? So you can't really see it. So mostly hair, right? So we'll start with the hair just here, and then his hat, and then we'll put in the sort of monocle that he wears. Right, so you just add in these curved lines for his hair that sort of covers his face. And then there's some on this side. This all comes down from his hat as well, right? So like roughly speaking, the hat comes across, curves across here. We'll just get some more of this hair that frames his face first. Right, and then sort of over this side as well. Okay, and then the monocle is like in under here. So we got like a circle. Comes around like so. Up under there. And the same sort of thing here. Go again, because it's got like a golden edge, right? I'm not going to draw in all the clock stuff. I'm just going to color it sort of like shiny so you can't see it. Because that would be crazy to draw all that. Okay, so then the edge of his hat up here. It's really wide, and up there, right, and it curves down. Ooh, like that. I always have to hold my breath when I do stuff like that. Okay. Right, so then the rest of his hair coming down from the hat before we do the top of it. Just all these hair spikes, right? Ba, ba, ba. Like that. And then more out this side. Comes down around here. Eventually goes down around his face. Just got to draw in this side now. Doop, doop. like so. Then the rest of his facial features inside. So his nose is just like a V, sort of down here. Just drawn in like that. And then it's like an extra thick shadow underneath. Okay, and if you want, you can add like a line just kind of there. Just a light one. Mustache then comes out from under his nose. So just goes, bumps out this way. Kind of goes underneath his hair here. And then the other side as well. Spikes back. And then comes back over his lip. And out the other side. Like so, and then his mouth, you can't really see, you can see like the middle of his mouth just underneath the mustache here, and then his bottom lip crossed like so, and there's a shadow underneath it. In Record of Ragnarok they do a lot of the shadow stuff. Like so, and then his chin, so real pointy chin, like that. Then it goes up just the side of his face. But you can check proportions if you want. So like eye to the nose, say to where his nostrils would be about there. Eye to there is about the same as here to here. So here to the say nostril or top of his mustache, same as mustache to like eye sort of area. There and there about the same. Okay. And then there to bottom lip, about the same as bottom lip to chin. So it's like this area. Say where his like the holes of his nose would be. So there to there is about the same as there to there. Okay. And then we go for the jaw. Carve up the side. Right, and if you want maybe just some lines just around his eyes and stuff. Right, I'll finish his hat and then we'll come back down to his details down on his costume down here. So, hat's pretty complicated as well. So, carve this around, stop it about there. This one goes a bit further because it goes around behind the actual hat itself. There's like a dial here. So I guess we gotta draw this. So I sound so happy about drawing. It's pretty complicated. So we go a circle here. And it's got a circle around it. Right, and then it goes back this way, around underneath. And then this has a circle inside. And then it has just like spokes of a bicycle sort of wheel thing going on. Right, like so. And then we have a strap. Goes around there, kind of bumps up, and then comes back down. Doesn't go as far because there's another sort of thing here. So then the strap goes back underneath. It's got edge lines to it. And then there's like circles. Okay, top of his hat then comes up the side here. And then this goes over the top. And down. There's all feathers here, but we'll just draw it in like so. And then like the edge of that hat like goes that way. Right, so then another big dial or something inside here, right? So another circle or ellipse. Like that. And there's crazy patterns inside which I won't be able to draw, but if you want to, you can. Right, edge line like that. I'll put one circle in the middle just so maybe you know where it is. And then this comes around. And I'm not being lazy not doing that. It's just they didn't draw it either. They like photoshopped in. You can see it. There's like a texture inside. So, and then circles. But I am being kind of lazy because that would take a hell of a long time. Circles going around the side like that. And then we have another thing. So it like sticks out this way. And then the edge of this goes in behind those two sort of pipes. And then up here. I'll connect this a bit better to the top of that one. Okay, so then it's got another piece of metal that goes down that way. And then goes down here. And then this comes out there. And then it like curves down, but it's got like a little spike sticking out here. And then the edge of our hat, and then feathers sticking out here, right? And some of these will go off the top of my page, so it just goes up the top, then bumps down. Up to there. So, and then this comes up, down. Like that. Right, so we'll go down now to his neck and his shoulders. So, neck seems to come out from here, curves out from just the side of his sort of jaw area. Right, real wide, right? Like that, and then you'll have like some neck muscles just inside here. And then the collarbones sort of go off this way. And then he has some hatching or something inside there. And another neck muscle line there. And then he's got a big white collar sticking out either side. There, and it goes back in and down towards the medallion on his chest. Right, and then the inside line for his collar there, and then this side goes up that way. There's this hair, so there's something dangling off here. I can't really see. Right, so we'll go. Just sort of bumps down like so. I think it's a chain, but they just draw it in like this, just to keep things simple. Name of the channel, Art.Simple. And then it's actually another hair spike there, and then it goes up behind his hair, it seems. Like that, and then a little bit more hair on this side. Like so. Right, so then shoulders stick out pretty far, right, because he's got this big jacket on. And it's like another jacket collar. Goes down there. Same on this side. And then it has a golden edge. And then so the inside of this curves that way. Curves that way. And then he's got a waistcoat, so a line for that. And then he has what looks like a medallion down here, so you just see the top of it. So, and then a strap just going around his neck. Right, so then just the shoulder curves down that way. And then the shoulder curves down that way. Just some lines on it like that. Okay, I think that's it. That's how to draw Jack the Ripper from Record of Ragnarok. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.